Guys, gonna do a little crockpot meal this morning. I got some more broccoli and cauliflower that was in the freezer. Kind of thawed it out, so I'm gonna be using there. Also got some ham, beef sirloin, and I got some pork that I had cooked before. So that's like pork loin type of stuff, or pork, beef, and ham. And I got some tomatoes, mushrooms, green peppers, celery, onions, hot peppers and garlic. Probably throw a rice pilaf in there also. We'll get this stuff all together, get it covered with water, and let it chooch. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is throw all that meat in there. Onions, green pepper, celery, mushrooms, tomatoes, kind of what I had in the refrigerator. Cauliflower, and throw some broccoli in there. Don't look like I'm going to have enough room for the... That's fine. Add some water to it. Cover it up and let it chooch. Thyme seasoning, and put some of that in there. And cover it with some pepper. We'll cover it and we'll just let it go. Put it on high. Crockpot cooking. Throw it all in there and let it see how it comes out. Just put it on high and let it chooch. Alright, so I kind of mixed it up with the spoon and just let it go. Go to work and come home later and see how it is. It's kind of like the way I cook. I throw in there whatever I have and just let it rock and roll, mama. I'll be able to put some rice in there too, I think. It's all going to render down nicely. Throw some rice pilaf in there and yeehaw! It was like 6:30 when I turned it on. I put the rice pilaf in there. I got some of the spring mix. I might throw some of that in there to get some more greens in there. Get this spring mix here. Baby lettuce and spinach. Get some more greens in there. I'm a big fan of getting Got some kale downstairs. I probably should have put that in there, but it is what it is. I mix stuff up as I go, Mama. Steve is cooking again, y'all. Just trying to use up what I got here in the house, right? Using what I got in the house. That's how I cook. I use whatever I got, throw it in there, and give it to you. How you doing, Mama? It's all going in the same spot. It's all going in the same chooch. A little bit more greens. I got some kale downstairs. I might throw some of that in there. Let it rip, potato chip. Thinking outside the box, Mama. Thinking outside the box. I got some kale here. It's all gonna rent it down. This stuff breaks down. You want kisses? You love kisses. Oh, you love kisses. Alright guys, I shut it off. It's just done. Yum. I had to take some water out a couple of times. It's starting to overflow, and I just put it in containers and be my meals. Probably got like 6-7 meals there. Yum! Alright, so I got there, what, 7 meals? So I got 7 meals there. How real working men cook, Mama. How real working men cook series.